Hey everyone, my name is Ben Holtai from Derek's, makers of the Drill Doctor product line. I'm going to give you a brief rundown of the two most popular drill doctors on the auto channel, the 500X and the 750X. I'll explain the similarities between the two machines and then the differences between the two machines. I'll also walk you through real quickly how to sharpen a drill. So as far as similarities are concerned, both machines are going to come with a diamond wheel, so that allows you to sharpen pretty much any material from high-speed steel to cobalt all the way to carbide. Both machines are going to be able to split the point of the drill, and what that does is make sure that it's a self-centering drill so you don't have to drill a pilot hole. Both machines are going to sharpen from at least 3/32 of an inch up to a ½ inch. The 750X has capacity to go all the way up to 3/4 of an inch. The two most common point angles for drills are 118 and 135. Both machines will be able to sharpen at those two angles. So the differences between the two machines is that the 500X is going to go from that 3/32 of an inch up to a ½ inch, while the capacity on the 750X is expanded, so it will go from 3/32 of an inch all the way up to 3/4 of an inch. The 500X is going to sharpen at 118 degrees or 135. Those are the two most common point angles on a drill bit. So the 500X will do either or, while the 750X is going to go from full range from 115 degrees all the way through to 140. Now I'm going to show you how to operate the two machines. Essentially they operate the same way. So you want to take your drill, place it in the chuck so that it can move freely back and forth. The chuck has alignment tabs on either side. You want to place those so that they're straight up and down in the alignment port. There are two pawl arms in the alignment port that close around the drill. You want those to close around the smallest part, which is in between the two flutes. So now you tighten down, take your drill out, and that was the most complex part of setting up the Drill Doctor for sharpening. The next step is to pick your point angle. Again, on the 750X, we can choose anywhere between 115 or 140. This drill is set up at 118, so we are just going to choose that. Tighten it down. And now when I sharpen, what I want to do is keep this cam in constant contact with that pin. All the geometry is in the timing between this cam and the timing of where these cutting edges are on the drill. So you take your chuck, place it in the sharpening port. I'm going to use light pressure to keep that cam in constant contact with the pin. And then we're just right here. What you want to do is sharpen until that grinding sound goes away. Most of the time that takes about a minute to two depending on the diameter of the drill and then of course how much material you're having to take off. That would be the sharpening process. To split the point of the drill, that makes it so it'll self-tap as opposed to using a pilot hole. Take out the plug in the sharpening port, split port. Take this white line, line it up with the groove that's in the split port. Place it in here like so, and we've adjusted the new Drill Doctors to where you can't oversplit the drill. All you got to do is push to stop like this. Rotate 180 degrees to get the other side. And now you're ready to go back to work.